Hi everyone. I'm going to bus. So I'm going to the bus. It's the tree. The trees here growing. Look at the trees. See, look at the trees. It's growing now. See the leaf. The trees here are growing. Yay! It's nice to look now. See, it start to green. So that means they are growing, and that means it's summer. So it's raining, but it's okay if I don't have umbrella. I just remove my umbrella. I just wait, use my umbrella when the rain is really bad. Because I get wet. This one is just very little. So let's walk fast. Because I am not really early. That's my bus. Oh, bye bus. I have to wait for the next one. Oh, the squirrel. Hello, squirrel. Hello. So, hello. It's tiring. Next week, Monday is holiday, no work. And Tuesday, I have to go to surgeon again. Come back to my surgeon. I need surgery again for my neck. Because I have thyroid cancer before they remove my thyroid. But there are 10. There are 10. What is that? There are 10. 2 more inside cut off. So that's cancer come back after 3 years. Need to be removed. But the bad thing is I have new cancer in the lungs. It's just starting. 3 dots. Maybe they just give me a pills. I need to see doctor in the lungs. Because it's just starting. Oh, that's really my bus. So I still have hope. Because it's still started. How I wish there is a pills, he said. But cannot explain very long because he's not specialized of lungs. He's specialized of head and neck. Oh my goodness, I have to run. The bus is there. I see another bus. Run. Oh my goodness. They're charging the car. They charge the... Oh, it's tiring. Oh my goodness. This is the life here. It's running. Oh, it's tiring. I cannot be late at work. Oh. But I think it's not my bus. It's not my bus. I am running, but it's not my bus. Oh, it's tiring. So Nia Akhter, thank you so much for watching. Oh, my goodness. It's so tiring. Let's wait for another bus. Because the bus is not mine. Because you cannot see the number. You can just see the head of the bus. But as long as I am here. So Nia Akhter, how are you? I am fine. Sister Erin, thank you so much for watching. I cannot buy a cookies. I cannot buy. I don't know. They blocked me from buying cookies. So I cannot buy anymore. So there's nothing going on. I cannot buy. They did not allow me to buy cookies. I'm buying cookies in Facebook for a long time. And now they block me from buying. So I will not buy. I want to give my mother. So I better send money to my mother. Not a star. So it's really, I really miss my bus. My goodness. So I decided to go. Oh, I can see how I wish that's my bus coming. There's another one coming. So how I wish that's my bus. So how I wish that's my bus. So when my bus is coming, I have to end the live. I have to go. I just try to do live. Maybe I can complete my star challenge this week. So I am so sad I cannot give cookies for my mother. So it's traffic, see? It's traffic upstairs, but here downstairs is not so much. That's good. The second bus is mine. I can see it here, from here. At last I rest now. Yeah, thank you so much, Sister Erin, for the prayer. I really have to do a surgery again. They gonna cut my neck again, the same surgeon. So I have appointment next week because it's a cancer. So my bus is here. I need to end my life. Thank you so much for watching.